Hello, welcome to Forbest Academy. Today we'll be looking at an SSAT math question. The question says as follows: 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 equals. Let us recall what exponentiation means. So we have a number, say a to the power of 5. All that means is that we're multiplying this base by itself 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a shortcut of this. Okay, so that means that if we have a to the power of 5 times, say, a to the power of 3, well, we have 5 copies of a, and then we have 3 copies of a, so that's going to give, it's the same thing as a to the power of 8. Right, so in our current example, we have 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2. Well, we have 3 copies of 2, 3 copies of 2, that's 6 copies of 2, and then plus 2 more, that's 8 copies of 2. So this number is 2 to the power of 8. And so that is already in the list of possible answers. So this is the answer, 2 to the power of 8. Alright, thank you very much. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.